Tell you what, I'm going to ask you, can you move over to this chair, please? So, he said, what, for sex? I was like, no way.
I think she wanted to train him.
Yeah, it's fine.
And then after she started reading the I said, Chris, the question, he doesn't have an answer.
Really? I know, it's exactly.
Look, you see? What is it?
Because you're cutting the sticking out hair.
Yeah. That's the plan. You see? So do like this with a half. You don't go up, just on the line.
Yeah.
After this, you can do one. Okay, you're gonna take another line.
Yeah.
Well done, Happy. H. It's a H. Yeah.
It's easy.
Yes.
Easy when you know. It'll be alright.
It's kind of.
Okay.
I feel like I'm getting married again.
This clip is very important. I'm gonna send it to you.
You know.
Yeah.
My wife knows that at home. When I'm hungry and moody, until she gives me food.
Oh, I'm more than moody.
You know what?
I'm evil. I'm
No, not much.
Yeah.
As I said, you're not bold if you go up here. If you go
Where are you
from?
Right.
Thank you so much.
No.
Just smoothen it.
Are you self-embroidered with that? Yeah.
This one when I do, with time, it's gonna take you. You done a good job. But when I do one day, it
Yeah.
take long time to do.
Yeah.
His hair is not easy.
No.
His hair, it's not easy. Believe me, it's not easy.
Yeah, it's blend now, yeah.
And you're two there, or you just two
It doesn't feel good until it's clean, you know. I do that with my wife.